Hi everyone, it's Magical Mom Laura. I am on a solo trip with my daughter, staying at the All-Star Music Resort. We are here for 6 days, so 4 days, and we're gonna hit up each of the parks, so come along with us. Hi guys, it's day 2. We're headed to Animal Kingdom. We slept in until about 8:30. It's the first good night's sleep I've had in like probably 5 or 6 nights. I feel a lot better. So we took it easy this morning. It's about 10 a.m. I ended up getting Genie Plus at Animal Kingdom because just by myself with a 5-year-old, I don't want to have to deal with the hassle of waiting in long lines for the safari at Navi River. So I just thought it was worth it. It was $15 each since we didn't do it yesterday. We have Rainforest Cafe for lunch today. And it would be a nice break in the air conditioning to relax. I think this is new, but on the tip board, it shows you when your next available time is, like at the top, to book a lightning lane, which is really cool. So I'm gonna set my alarm for that time and then I'll book the safari, which most likely will be after lunch, so perfect. So come along with us to Animal Kingdom. It's such a beautiful day. It's nice out, Landon. It's not very hot. There's the tree. He is so cool. Oh, I can feel the air conditioning. It was just pretend, okay? It wasn't real. We left early. Let's not do that again till you're older.
I don't want to do that.
Yeah. Tough to be a bug. It was tough to be watching the bug, right?
I didn't like it. Yeah.
All right, let's go get lunch. About an hour later, they announced at D23, which was going on while we were there, that they will be changing it out to Zootopia. Landon was so excited, and she wants to help design the new ride. So I realized I left my diamond ring at both of them, but my engagement ring sitting there. I was like chaos getting out of the room and forgot. So I called it's so hot out, my phone was overheating, so I called All-Star Music, and then the head of housekeeping called me. She's like, our trainer is actually cleaning your room, and I'll go sit with her the whole time and make sure nothing is taken and everything will be fine. Don't worry, have a great day. Phew, so that was really nice. All right, we're off to Rainforest to go and have some lunch. Are you ready to eat in the jungle, Landon?
Uh-huh.
Oh, this is breakfast. Oh, lunch is over here. Let's look at the menu. Okay. 4 kids.
Mom, what about snacks?
Did you just hit me?
Yeah.
Stop. See the giant mushroom? That was a tiki bar. Landon, if you want to get wet.
Welcome to Whitney. The one that he made.
Oh yeah, that's right. Wow. I'm sorry. Look how cool this is. It's a big mushroom. Do you see it? And here. And then they have animal benches. How cool is that?
It's just a little thunderstorm.
A thunderstorm. Look at the monkey. There's a big menu. Isn't this place cool? I got the ancient grain bowl. Landon got linguine with marinara. The kids menu is so big. Like, this place is really great for kids and picky eaters. And look at all this activity.
Mom, what's that?
One's lemonade and one's water. I'm not sure. I don't know. You
One for dessert. Ice cream sandwich.
want an ice cream sandwich? Okay, you have to eat a good lunch, okay?
No.
No! Spaghetti. Got apples and oranges. Look at Mommy's beautiful grain bowl, Landon. Looks so good. Tell your friends about me. jump, then flap like a bird and say, go, go. Oh, that should be so high and pause. And give me a big roar. Different types of...
Do you know that a carnivorous plant can eat bugs?
I had no idea.
And guess how much long it takes for it to clone?
How long?
1,520 weeks.
Did you get your badge?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'll try to find it to show you.
The Navi River ride is like, they should put that in spas, like the spa music. It is so nice. We love the Rainforest Cafe. I'll give a full review later, and then we're headed to the safaris after Navi. All right, safari time.
Has a unique
Why
fur coat.
did we never see them?
Able to recognize each other even from a distance.
I've never seen those kind of creatures before.
They're often called
I
new
can
because
see.
the vocalizations they make sound like new.
Just a tongue giraffe. Oh, it's a stick out its
18-inch long prehensile tongue.
Here's its tongue. Oh, giraffe.
What are they called? A tower, right?
They're posing. He's posing. Big.
Oh, hello one. Show us your purple tongue.
And they bore giraffe pounds.
No, I mean I can't see the elephant.
We'll see some.
There he is. Where?
Is that a baby right there?
Researchers have shown that elephants
African margarita and ice cream. Ready to taste some, Daddy? I have a bit of a confession. I've never showed her this area ever. It's her first time. She's 5. We've been here a lot. 13 trip. It's a T-Rex, Landon. Whee! So they said that they will not allow anyone who's under 7 to leave without an adult. So that's a little reassuring. I just lost her twice though in this massive place. That is so cool. And they did the princess theme. 6:20, we just got home and my rings are in D. I thought I had 2 diamond rings, just the one. They're still here. What was your favorite thing of today? What did I get you? What's around your neck?
A necklace.
Yeah, you got a necklace. We are back from Animal Kingdom. We had a great time. I truly enjoyed Rainforest Cafe. I thought it's so good for families, for kids. The menu is extensive. My what was it, Asian grain bowl or something, was delicious. Like roasted, good amount of garlic, sweetness, flavors, texture. Everything was chopped really small. I really enjoyed that. Landon got what she wanted, some fruit and pasta, and yeah, it was really good. Don't really care for that dino dig place. What? No. I was there an hour. I lost her like 8 times. We enjoyed the Navi River ride, the safari. I think we're gonna go get pizza at the All-Star food court or something. And then tomorrow is Epcot day. So we had a great day. We'll see you tomorrow at Epcot. Can you say bye, Landon?
Bye.
Bye. Oh, Landon. They'll do. We had a magical moment because Landon was sweet to the lady who worked here, and she brought her a cupcake. Oh no! Shoot him! Shoot all the aliens! Is it warm? Is it these two? Bye, table. Hello, Ben. Just not a lot of room.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.